Okay, let's unbox Sir Rolly's Glock Q1's unit. Okay.
Magazine. Muslim.
Okay, let's test fire this one. Okay, have three 6mm BBs. Tatlo lang para parang brand new pa rin ng feel. Manual loading, parang parang tunay. Nice. Manual plastic spring type Q1. So let's do this. Okay, test fire. Oh, nice, lakas. Ano ba? Oh, malakas. Nice. Last one. Okay. Okay. Minsan hindi nag-open chamber, pero pag wala nang bala, pag kasi mo yan, naka-open chamber. So remove, pag naka-open chamber, remove the magazine, release the lock. Okay, yan, hammer down. Okay, unit is working. Balik natin.